Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another amazing opportunity, an online internship program, the Forage Short Internship Program with Certificate 2021. This online internship program is an amazing opportunity for the youth. Forage Short Internship Program is an opportunity for students as well as young professionals to experience working virtually and make progress. Forage is a platform for individuals who want to gain work experience in their respective fields and get an insight into working professionally. Individuals from different backgrounds can apply and get work experience as Forage has many partner companies that offer numerous quality opportunities. The duration of virtual work experience is 5 to 6 hours. Different recruiters and companies look for the best candidates to hire for them. Therefore, if you apply after completing the program successfully, you have more chances of being hired. The opportunities are offered for different careers, including accounting, consulting, engineering, finance, human resource, law, marketing, professional services, public health, social impact, and tech. Individuals can even select the companies of their interest. In addition, it will give an insight into what essential skills are required by the employees. The Forage Short Internship is offered to all individuals regardless of age, gender, nationality, religion, and ethnic background. Upon completing the experience program, individuals will receive a free certificate that can be shared with employers and within a professional network. The best thing about this program is that you can start anytime according to your schedule and complete it at your own pace. You will not only gain experience, but it will be an excellent addition to your CV. The eligibility criteria to apply for the Forage Short Internship Program: individuals from all over the world can apply. There are no country restrictions. People of any age can gain experience as there is no age restriction, and you do not need to travel. This program is online. Benefits of the Forage Short Internship Program: open for everyone, no prior experience is required, get a free certificate on completing an internship, self-paced work experience program, gain practical experience, excellent opportunity to make your CV stand out. To start your application, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on the link, scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Forage official homepage. On this page, you can see Explore Forage Work Experience Programs. You can filter your programs by your career interest or the company that interests you, or you can select the programs listed below. Just click on the program name. After clicking on the program, you can see details about the program. What will you do in the Discovery program? You can see all the steps that you will be doing in this program. To start your application, click on Register Now. You can register using your Google, or you can sign up with your email. To sign up with your email, you have to add in your first name, your last name, your current university, your current degree, your email address, password, and how did you hear about Forage, and then click on Register. After clicking on Register, you will be asked a few questions. The first step is, when is your graduation year? When did you start your current degree? Select your option from the drop-down list and your anticipated graduation year. What is your current level of study, your degree type? Select the option from the drop-down list and then click on Next. Please enter details about your majors, your degree discipline. If you have a second degree, select the discipline of that degree and then click on Next. Fourth step is, which gender do you identify with, male, female, other? I prefer not to answer. Select your gender. Are you authorized to work in Pakistan? This is an optional step. You can select yes or no. The sixth step is, will you require an employment-sponsored visa to work in Pakistan now or in the future? This is also optional. You can select yes, no, or prefer not to answer. The seventh step is, please upload a photo of yourself to add to your profile. You can either add a photo or you can skip this step. And then click on Get Started. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much understanding do you have of who we are and what we do at Accenture? Based on what you currently know about Accenture, how likely are you to apply for graduate or internship roles with Accenture? I'll definitely apply, I might apply, I probably won't apply, and I definitely won't apply. Select your answer and click on Next. Are you an Australian citizen or a New Zealand citizen or an Australian permanent resident? Select yes or no. Are you happy for Accenture to view your details and contact you about news information related to graduate and internship opportunities at Accenture? Select yes or no. Now you're enrolled in the program. This is how your program will start. You can assemble a plan, you can set project priorities, you can watch this video, and this is how your internship program will start. Good luck with your internship program. We hope that you will excel in this program. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that you liked this video. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.